All right, good morning, afternoon. Welcome back, everybody. Today, let's learn how to install and use a program called Screencastify, which is very helpful for creating flipped lecture videos. Let's watch. So first, open the Chrome browser. Once you open Chrome, search for the program Screencastify. The spelling is right here. And click on the very first link. And then add to Chrome. It'll double check, add extension. Let it think for a minute. Thinking. Good, it has been added. Success. Now, let's click on the puzzle piece and let's click on the pin. This will make it very easy to see the Screencastify logo right here. It looks like a little arrowhead or a play button with a little camera inside. Now we have to set up the program. So Screencastify is linked to your Google account. That means that whenever you record a video, it will automatically save to your Google Drive. So it's very easy to record your videos and to keep them in one easily accessible place. So first, sign in with a Google account. Username and password. Now there's a lot of permissions that you have to do. You have to give Screencastify the permission to use your headphones, your microphone, your webcam. So you have to set the permissions. Good. Allow and allow. All right, I am an educator, yes, and I work at Other. Yeah. All right, we did it. Yay! We are ready to make a video. If you want more tutorials or video ideas, you can click on these links right here. They will give you more advice and recommendations for using this screencasting software. So let's get started. Click on the Screencastify logo. Now choose the microphone that you want to use. Test the microphone. You should be able to see green bars. If it's right about the middle of the bar, it should be a good audio level. Also, you have to choose the right webcam and then click record. When you click record, it makes another webcam appear. This is me. Now I have a PPT ready to go. Now, click on here, your entire screen, and then click share. This will start a countdown before you begin recording. When you hear the ding, that means it's time to go. So I play my PPT, I set the webcam right where I want it, and I talk. Okay, I'm finished. Okay, when you are finished, click right down here. It says stop sharing. Okay, so far so good, eh? It will automatically open a window and it will start to save the recorded video to your Google Drive. Like here, Google Drive, saving to Drive. Excellent. Now you have some choices. You can publish the video straight to YouTube, or you can share it with your Google Classroom. You can also click right here to download the video immediately. It will download right here. You can also export it as another video file. You can have only the audio from your recording, or something that's fun every now and then, you can make a GIF image, a GIF. So that is the process of installing and using the Screencastify program. Please let me know what questions or concerns you have. And until next time, this is Ian saying cheers.